Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate income-driven repayment with Save Plan step by step clearly. To activate income-driven repayment with the Save Plan, start by visiting the official Federal Student Aid website. Log into your account using your FSA ID. If you don't have an FSA ID, create one by following the prompts on the website. Once logged in, navigate to the section labeled Repayment Plans. Look for options related to income-driven repayment plans. Select the Save Plan from the list provided. You will be prompted to gather necessary documentation, including your income information. Prepare your tax returns from the previous year or your most recent pay stubs. Follow the instructions to input your income information accurately. Make sure to double-check all entered details for accuracy. After entering your information, review the terms and conditions of the Save Plan carefully. Agree to the terms by checking the box provided. Submit your application for the Save Plan. You will receive a confirmation of your application submission via email. Keep an eye on your email for further updates from your loan servicer. Once approved, your loan servicer will inform you of your new monthly payment amount. Be sure to continue making any necessary payments until you receive official confirmation of your new plan. If you have any questions during the process, consider reaching out to your loan servicer for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.